Zubair and all present here. Today I and Nile
And I Shrist.
of class 8B are here to present our project
DC fan.
In this project we had used a cardboard, switch, DC motor, propeller, wires and 9-volt battery.
In this project, we have connected 9-volt battery with switch and DC motor with the help of wires.
And with DC motor, the propeller is connected.
So when we turn on the switch, the propeller will start moving as the DC motor will convert electrical energy to mechanical energy.
So let us see how it works. Thank you friends for watching us.